Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home and studying well. Students, in previous video I have taught about the sentence and I hope you studied well and you got all the points whatever I have taught in that video. So today I am going to start unit 2 kinds of sentences. Students, you know there are 4 kinds of sentences. In everyday life we are always speaking so many sentences, but we are not knowing what the kind of sentence. So for that, we will study the kinds of sentences. First one, declarative or assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third kind of sentence, imperative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. Means there are 4 kinds: declarative, assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. Now we will discuss all the kinds of sentences one by one. Now first we discuss about the declarative sentence. A sentence can make a statement, यानी कि ऐसा वाक्य जो किसी तथ्य को प्रकट करता है. Example: The sun rises in the east. The boys were swimming in the river. The sun rises in the east यानी कि सूरज पूरब में उगता है. The boys were swimming in the river यानी कि बच्चे नदी में नहा रहे थे. यानी कि किसी भी तथ्य को, कोई सच्चाई को प्रकट किया जा रहा है. यानी कि सेंटेंस दैट स्टेट्स और डिक्लेयर्स समथिंग इज कॉल्ड डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. अ सेंटेंस यानी कि ऐसा वाक्य जो किसी भी तथ्य को उजागर या जाहिर करता है, उसको हम कहते हैं डिक्लेरेटिव sentence. Now come on, second kind of sentence, interrogative sentence. A sentence can ask a question. ऐसा sentence जो प्रश्न पूछता है, जैसे who has broken this glass. Third, where is the aeroplane? यानी कि किसने ये ग्लास तोड़ा. Where is the aeroplane? You can see here who, where. This is a question word which we use for asking a question. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence or a question. यानी कि ऐसा वाक्य जो प्रश्न पूछने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है, उसको हम interrogative sentence कहते हैं. Now third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence can give an order or make a request. ऐसा sentence जो आदेश देता है या किसी चीज के लिए प्रार्थना या आग्रह करता है. Example: Peter, shut the door. Please bring me a glass of water. Peter, shut the door. यानी कि Peter, दरवाजा बंद कर दो. In this sentence, someone is ordering to Peter, दरवाजा बंद करो. यानी कि Peter को आदेश दिया जा रहा है कि दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Here, someone is ordering. It means this is the imperative. And in second, please bring me a glass of water. Here, someone is requesting for water. A sentence that expresses a command, a request or a desire is called an imperative sentence. यानी कि ऐसा वाक्य जो कमांड देता है, आग्रह करता है या अपनी इच्छा व्यक्त करता है, उसको हम कहते हैं imperative sentence. Now come on the fourth topic of the sentence, that is a exclamatory sentence. A sentence can express some strong or sudden feeling. यानी कि हमारी गहरी भावना या फीलिंग, अनुभव को जो हम बहुत आश्चर्य के साथ प्रकट करते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं एक्सक्लेमेटरी. लाइक हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस रोज इज. कितना सुंदर गुलाब है. What a noise they are making. कैसी आवाज निकाल रहे हैं लोग. यानी कि हम अपने अंदर की जो गहरी भावना या अचानक जो फील करते हैं, उसको हम व्यक्त करते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called exclamatory sentence. यानी कि ऐसा वाक्य जो हमारे अंदर की गहरी भावना या अनुभव को व्यक्त करता है, उसको हम exclamatory sentence कहते हैं. Now students, we have studied 4 kinds of sentences and we have seen so many things on that sentences, in that sentences. So point to remember now for these sentences. First one is every sentence begins with a capital letter, यानी कि कोई भी sentence जो होता है वो हमेशा capital letter से start होता है. Second thing है a full stop is placed at the end of declarative or imperative sentence, यानी कि full stop हमेशा declarative और imperative sentence के बाद लगाते हैं या put करते हैं. A question mark is placed at the end of every interrogative sentence, यानी कि जो हमारा क्वेश्चन मार्क है हमेशा प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य के बाद में लगाया जाता है. An exclamation mark, this is exclamation mark, is placed at the end of every exclamatory sentence, यानी कि स्टूडेंट डिक्लेरेटिव और इंपेरेटिव की पहचान है कि उसके बाद फुल स्टॉप रहेगा. क्वेश्चन मार्क की पहचान है, सिंपल पहचान है कि किसी भी प्रश्न किसी भी वाक्य के बाद अगर ये चिन्ह दिखता है, हमें क्वेश्चन मार्क दिखता है, इट मीन्स कि दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन mark and it is an interrogative sentence. And if we are reading any sentence and if we are watching this exclamation mark, we can simply know that is the exclamatory sentence. Now students, all things I have taught you and you have seen very carefully, listen very carefully, so check your knowledge. Exercise 1. Read the sentence given below and tell the kind of sentence. Students, here you can see there are 4 sentences are given here. So first we will read. Heap of the grass. How old is your elder sister? All that glitters is not gold. What a horrible sight it was. Here students, to take that all rules, and we have studied all the things about the sentence, kinds of sentence. So we will check that implementing is here or not. Keep up the grass. घास पर रख दो. आपको यहाँ पे क्या फील हो रहा है? ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है या रिक्वेस्ट किया जा रहा है या प्रश्न पूछा जा रहा है या क्या किया जा रहा है या कोई तथ्य बताया जा रहा है? हम सिंपली इसको पढ़कर मीनिंग निकालकर ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे ऑर्डर दिया जा रहा है. समवन इज गिविंग ऑर्डर टू कीप अप द ग्रास. सो we can simply understand this is a imperative sentence. Second, how old is your elder sister? You can see a question mark is here. प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह है यहाँ पे. तो सिंपली हम इसको समझ सकते हैं कि ये क्या हो सकता है हमारा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. थर्ड, all that glitters is not gold, यानी कि सारी चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होती है. यहाँ पे हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि ये सेंटेंस किसी सच्चाई को प्रकट कर रहा है, तथ्य को प्रकट कर रहा है. यानी कि a sentence which states or declares something is called declarative sentence. So it is the declarative sentence. Now number 4, what a horrible sight it was. Students, here you can see, you can guess. I have told earlier, this is the exclamation mark, and if we are reading any sentence and we are watching this, it is given here, so simply we can understand that this is the exclamatory sentence. यानी कि अगर exclamation mark अगर दिया हुआ है तो हम simply समझ सकते हैं कि हमारा ये कौन सा sentence है, ये क्या है, exclamatory sentence. So I hope all the students, all of you understood all the things whatever I have taught in this video, and I hope you will do your exercise and you will implement your all the things whatever I have taught. So do the remaining questions of exercise 1 and 2 of your unit 2, page number 4. So all of you keep focusing on your studies and best of luck.